Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create your very own private Snapchat story on Snapchat. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So private stories are stories which are private and only you can choose who can view it. So you can create a separate group and select your recipients for that group. Then you can post your private stories in that group so no one else can watch it. So let me show you how to create that private Snapchat story. So first you want to open up your Snapchat app. Next you want to tap on your profile emoji at the top left. On this page you want to scroll down until you see My Story section. Within the My Story section you're looking for New Private Story, which is right here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you want to select all the people who you want to include in your new private story. So I'll select the people, then I'll tap on Create Story at the bottom. Now give your private story a name. So I'll put down Karthik's private story, then I'll tap on Done. And now your private story has been created just below your normal story. And that is how to create a private story on Snapchat. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.